students, welcome to the next video of Applied Mathematics semester 2. So again this unit 4 is common for all the branches. So unit 4 is first order first degree differential equation. In unit 4 we have two chapters, chapter 7 that was a differential equation, and chapter number 8 which is an application of differential equation. Now today we are going to see application of differential equation. Okay, so this is nothing but the application of differential equation. That means in engineering problems in your branch where you are going to apply this differential equation. As I told you, this differential equation is a very important part of applied mathematics. So let's see first the learning outcomes. So after completing or after watching this video, student, you will be able to solve problems based on first order first degree differential equations. Okay, we also have the higher order higher degree differential equations, but in your syllabus you have only first order first degree differential equations. So after completing this chapter or after watching this video, you will be able to first you will be able to formulate the real life problem into a differential equation. Okay, and that too in first order first degree differential equation, and then you will solve that differential equation by using appropriate method. So let's start. So very first thing is a introductory part of differential equation, that means application of differential equation. So in most of the physical problems, the relation between the variables can be expressed in terms of rate of change. Okay, whenever this word is occurred, rate of change of one variable with respect to another. So this rate of change can be measured by using derivatives, right? By using derivative dy upon dx. Now when this derivative is there, okay, and we are having equation by using this derivative, then that part is known as a differential equation. Okay, so in every field we are dealing with the rate of change term, right? In every branch of engineering we come across this word rate of change. Okay, so whenever we are having this term rate of change, that means we are having a derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. Okay, and when we get the equation of this derivative, then that is known as a differential equation. So in most of the engineering problems we get this differential equation, and the most difficult part is to form this differential equation and then to find the solution for this differential equation. So we shall now consider the applications of such differential equation to geometrical, physical and engineering problems in present chapter. So the study of differential equation is a wide field in pure and applied mathematics, physics and engineering. All of these disciplines are concerned with the properties of differential equations of various type. Okay, everywhere we get this differential equation concept, whether it is physics, it is mathematics or it is engineering. In everywhere you will get the differential equation. Like in algebra you are getting an equation, right? Like this, 2x plus y is equal to 4, right? In algebra you are getting a simple equation. Like that only in engineering, in physics, in mathematics, in everywhere you will get a differential equation. So pure mathematics focus on the existence and uniqueness of solution. Okay, while applied mathematics emphasizes the rigorous justification of the method for approximating solution. So when we are dealing with the pure mathematics, that means we are dealing with the existence and uniqueness of solution. Pure mathematics means it will give you a single solution. Pure mathematics will give you a single answer, single solution, while applied mathematics will give you the approximate answer. Okay, applied mathematics will give you the approximate solution, approximate answer, while pure mathematics will give you the unique answer. It will be same for you, for everyone, the answer will be same. So that is the difference between pure mathematics and applied mathematics. Now differential equation plays an important role in modeling virtually every physical, technical or biological process, from celestial motion to bridge design to interactions between neurons. So in all this, in celestial motion, in bridge designing, in interaction between neurons, everywhere differential equation plays an important role. Why? Because in everywhere, in all these things, we are dealing with the dependent and independent variable. We are interested in rate of change. Okay, we are interested in rate of change of dependent variable with respect to independent variable, and that's why this differential concept is very much important part. So differential equations such as those used to solve real life problems may not be necessarily be directly solvable. Okay, sometimes we come across where the differential equation is not directly solvable. That means do not have closed form of solution. We are not exactly get the solution. So in such case, we will use the concept of numerical methods for approximating the answer. So whenever direct solution is not possible, okay, closed form of solution is not possible, then we are approximating the solution by using the numerical methods. Okay, so differential equation is very important part in everywhere, in your every branch of engineering. You are going to deal with rate of change, and whenever you are dealing with rate of change, that means you are coming across with differential equation, and that's why this chapter, this unit is very important. So with this I am concluding this introductory video of application of differential equation. So thank you students.